Good morning. Yesterday, the Indian markets ended on a slightly negative note on account of being closed on the previous trading day on Monday. The benchmark indices witnessed some profit booking and ended the day down by around 1 to 1.25% yesterday. The mid-cap and small-cap indices, however, on the other hand, ended the day on a slightly positive note. Realty was the major gainer of the day, while FMCG sector was the major loser of the day. FIs once again continued its buying trend in the cash segment and bought shares worth around 162 crores yesterday, while domestic institutions on the other hand were again net sellers and sold in excess of around 694 crore yesterday. The US markets yesterday ended the day on a slightly negative note. The US service industry data unexpectedly accelerated for the month of October and rose to 55.4 from 54.4 in September. This fueled speculation that the stimulus tapering, which was supposed to be followed up to the next calendar year, could be closing and would unlikely be by the end of this December. This caused worries in the US markets, while all the benchmark indices in the US ended on a negative note. Coming to today's session, we like to keep an eye on telecom stocks today. The telecom commission has is likely to recommend a 47% increase in the base price of the 1800 megahertz spectrum allocation, which is lined up for next calendar year. They are likely to price the base price to around rupees 2200 crore. The buyback of NHPC is likely to start tomorrow, and the base price for purchase is fixed around 19.25 rupees. NHPC is planning to buy back 1.23 billion shares in this buyback. The offer will end on Friday. The Indian markets are expected to be sideways for today's session. Major resistance and support levels for Sensex comes around the level of 21274 and 20963 levels, while major resistance and support levels for Nifty comes around the level of 6320 and 6249 levels. The Asian markets are traded in a slightly negative note on the early morning trade, while the Singapore Nifty was down by marginal 2 points in the early morning trade. Thank you very much and happy investing.